Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brianna Carey and I'm here with another video, and this video is going to be a little bit different because if you know, your girl is not a makeup girly, but I have decided to start, just wanting to do like quick little natural looks, whenever I'm running errands and I just want to, be put together, or if I'm going out with the girls, or if I'm having a date night. So I did go ahead and book a one-on-one makeup training, and yeah, I did that 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I have done my own makeup for I think twice since I had the training. So yeah, if you see these 2 makeup bags, you already know I am going to be showing you guys what's in my beginner friendly makeup bag. This bag is so cute. It's a Vera Bradley bag that came with like a little matching tote. So I'm just going to show you the items that I have in this bag, and I'm going to tell you exactly everything I have and where I got them from. Not sure on prices, but I will let you know if I know for sure, or I'll link everything down below in the description box. So yeah, the first item I got is the True Complexion Contour Palette. It is the shades light to medium, and it looks like this. And I like this because it actually shows you where to put each item on the face, and it just gives you like a little direction if you don't know exactly what you're doing but you want to try your hand in makeup. So it has the contour palette, the sculpt palette, and a highlighter. So yeah, that, and I got this from Walgreens. Also, the next item I got was this contour palette. It was by LA Colors, and it just has 4 different shades around, 4 different shades this way. And yeah, this is also in the shade light to medium, and it just like kind of shows you what it looks like. I got this from my local beauty supply store, and yeah. The Il Makiage in the shade 105, if you can see that. I don't know. It's a shade 105, but this is what I purchased from Il Makiage, I think last year, I want to say. So I actually have a video of me testing this shade out, and if you have not watched that video, go ahead and find that video in my, oh, it's not in the playlist, but it's the Il Makiage playlist. And I also purchased the Fit Me Maybelline. I got the color 322. Not sure if this is probably going to be a summer look for me, not sure at all, but I got this from my local Family Dollar. e.l.f. Luminous Putty Blush in this little jar, and it's really cute, and it looks like this, and it's just like this cute pinky, sparkly pinky look. So yeah, got that, and I purchased this from Target. That is this Brow Corrector Pro pencil. This is from the brand Benefit, and it basically gives you options, and you just click down, and it's a pencil, and you just click. So the setting sprays, I have the NYX Dewy Finish. I also have the e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist Set. Oh, one more brush. I have the BH Cosmetics. This is like a stippling brush. I also have the Loose Setting Powder by True Complexion, and this is in the color Banana. For concealer, I have the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Hydrating Concealer, and this is in the color Medium Sand. I also have the Fit Me concealer. I don't know if I can see it. Yeah. And this is in the color, I think, wheat. It's the number 220. I mean, no, 022. Mascara. I have this e.l.f. lip plumping gloss, and this is in the color Pink Cosmo. I have the NYX brow glue in the color clear. e.l.f. primer. And I also have a eyeliner pencil that I just use on my bottom lash line. And I also have a brown cocoa lip liner in the brand Ruby Kisses. And yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video.
Heavy on my